Unlocking the nutritional treasure. 10 health benefits of injera, dried figs. Injera, or dried figs, isn't just a delicious and sweet treat. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Let's explore the incredible health benefits that make injera a valuable addition to your diet. Rich in fiber. Injera is an excellent source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health, preventing constipation, and supporting a healthy digestive system. Abundant in antioxidants. Loaded with antioxidants, injera helps combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall well-being. Heart health. The potassium content in injera helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and supporting cardiovascular health. Weight management. High fiber content and low calorie density make injera a satisfying snack, aiding in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Bone health. Injera is a good source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones, preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Blood sugar control. The soluble fiber in injera helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a diabetic-friendly snack when consumed in moderation. Rich in iron. Injera is a natural source of iron, contributing to the prevention of iron deficiency anemia and supporting energy levels in the body. Digestive health. The presence of prebiotics in injera promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing digestive health and supporting a balanced gut microbiome. Skin health. Antioxidants in injera help combat free radicals, contributing to healthier skin by reducing signs of aging and promoting a radiant complexion. Rich in vitamins. Injera is a good source of vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin K, and various B vitamins, supporting overall health and immune function. With its sweet taste and a myriad of health benefits, injera stands out as a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. Whether enjoyed as a snack, added to dishes, or used in desserts, incorporating injera into your regular eating habits can contribute to improved overall health and well-being.